Hey, come on, bird dog, come on. Just sitting up here in the old radio room. Oh yeah, I gotta do it all over again. You gotta pick up 2 more loads. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got you. 2 more loads of hay. How much that gonna leave you with? Yeah, that's a good thing.
That's right. I got move my tractor this morning. Gotta get both tractors moved, push hog moved, more machine moved. Yeah, got a lot of stuff I gotta move today.
Yeah, Tim, I heard that. Well, you get it done. Don't look like no rain in the forecast. I heard that you're gonna be putting it up for the year.
That's right.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I gotta go back in there and work again at night, and I gotta work Monday and Tuesday night. I know. I don't know how much longer they're gonna keep me on night. Yeah, Jimbo. Well, you done made good out of it while you was off all that time. You got a lot of work done.
That's right. Don't never get caught up, though.
That's true. I got a lot I need to be doing, and I can't get off from work right now to get it done. And even if I could get off from work right now, they got a no burn ordinance going on, so I can't do no burning. I got a whole lot of burning I need to be doing. Maybe I'll get around to it one day.
That's right. What did you do last night?
I didn't do nothing last night. The only somebody I talked to was I talked to the supervisor there around midnight. I called him and gave him I gave him the numbers that he needed, and then other than that, I ain't seen nobody, ain't talked to nobody.
You got to work all the way to next week.
Yeah, I got to work till they finish tearing that machine out. The only thing I got running in my area is one little pump. Well, it's actually 2 pumps, but just one of them kick on automatically. And I said that last night time, that joke, I think it might have kicked on, I know twice, maybe 3 times in 12 hours. That's the only thing I got running. What about my little buddy, Road Runner? You heard anything out of him this morning? He probably up there on 19. He'll be out in about half a while. I'm probably gonna go ahead and try and order them replacement headlight for that Tahoe there today. I may just wait and do it tomorrow, and that way I go ahead and order the dashboard cover right along with it. That way I get it all in together, so whenever I get that Tahoe back, out of the shop. I can go ahead and install all that stuff on it.
Yeah, folks. Yeah, they got that cruising the coast going on this week.
Yeah, okay. Well, I know I won't be involved in it. I'm gonna be cruising till midnight.
Yeah, folks.
I don't never see much on Facebook anymore. All that bunch I used to ride with, motorcycles and around there. A lot of them clubs, used to have something going on pretty well every week or two, but I ain't seen a whole bunch going on here lately. I think about fixing up a doggone ton of green patch. You ever plant any?
No, I hadn't.
Yeah, I kind of thought about going over there, that property over there to my dad's. And they got a power line that comes right down through there. There's a bunch of pine trees over there, but right there where that power line that goes across, there ain't no trees there. And I kind of thought about just go ahead and tearing that ground up, from one side there to the other over there, and plant it. That would be 2 acres from one end of it to the other across there. Who you said appreciate it?
Yeah, them deer.
It sounds like I heard somebody come out there hollering then.
Oh, I ain't heard nobody.
Yeah, they probably would. They'd be coming in that spot checking until you get sweet to their taste, and then they'll work on it. I planted something like that up there at the hunting club up there years ago, and you see tracks all in there, and I kept telling the president they was supposed to be gonna eat them, but he said they ain't gonna fool with them, so I'm gonna go in there and get me some. I said, well, go on and get you some. And he messed around there and waited one day too late. When he went back in there, it looked like somebody went down through there with a lawnmower.
You got that tractor today?
No, I ain't gonna get out there and fool with it. I don't like food with nothing like that when I'm working night shift. I'd rather work food with it whenever, I done been off a day or two.
That's right.
You get out there and get the food around with something like that there, and then you ain't had your proper rest, and you can easily mess around there and tear up more than you can pay for if you ain't careful. Say that again?
It's 53 degrees. It's been 53 every morning.
Yeah, it looked cool like that. I had to put my jacket on when I got ready to come home. Well, it don't feel bad, but it just looked cool to me.
Yeah, that's right.
Hell, I got all my wiring and stuff run on the tractor there for that sprayer. And I guess you call it an agitator or whatever that is that goes on that seed spreader I'm going to put on there. The only thing I'm liking now is just mount that doggone thing on the seed spreader. And once I put it on there, I have everything good to go. I said agitator's an actuator. That's what the name is, actuator.
Push out from it, which they both, before they got out of there, finished up, they both went back in there and cleaned them up with a dozer. Everything didn't work out that way, so either this guy come in there and get him to do it, or they got to get in there with him. They give me a boom sprayer going my four, so I can get in and spray that stuff.
Yeah, I heard that.